welcome to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching this video. Hit the like button if you like this video. So I'll recommend you to watch the video till the end so that you can be fully benefited the tips which I'm going to share in this video. If you have watched my previous video regarding communication skills, then I can guess that you will like this video too, because in this video I am going to discuss more about communication skills. In this video I am going to share with you 3 practical tips which you can apply to improve your English, and I am sure that these 3 tips will definitely help you improve your English, because they helped me too to improve my speaking skills in English. You can apply these 3 tips for a period of 1, 2 or 3 months, maximum 3 months it will take, and you will start noticing that you have improved your English. So the very first tip is read. You have to read in order to improve your English. Without reading you cannot improve your English. English requires to be practiced daily. That is why I can also assume that you do not have many people around you with whom you can converse daily in English, so that it's not required, it's not mandatory to speak with anybody in English to improve your English. It helps till an extent, but it does not help fully. So I'll give you the practical tip which will help you fully, is that you can use any one of the 2 which I'm going to talk now. The first one is buy one book a month. Every month you will buy one book, and after buying that one book, read 30 minutes every day. If you cannot read 30 minutes, then at least invest 20 minutes. I think you can always invest 20 to 30 minutes for you improving your skills. Invest 20 minutes in a book. Read 20 minutes every day. It's mandatory. You have to read 20 minutes every day. Any book you can study, any English book, fiction, non-fiction, whatever you want you can study, whatever you like. So study that book for 20 minutes. Or you can do this thing, you can buy a newspaper, an English newspaper, anyone, the Hindu or the Times of India, anyone. I am not recommending any English newspaper. There are lots of English newspapers available in the market. You can buy anyone. And if you are reading newspaper, then do not buy the newspaper every day. You need to buy newspaper 3 days in a week. Buy any English newspaper 3 days in a week, and you don't have to read everything that's written in the newspaper. Read the headlines and the topics which you feel interested about. Then you can read that topic in detail in the newspaper, so that you can get benefit. Now I am going to tell you how this will help you to increase your vocabulary. First, whatever you are reading, either newspaper or book, you will face some words which are new to you and the meanings you don't know. Search those words in Google. You will find every meaning. You do not require an English dictionary. Search the meaning of that word. Type the word in Google and search it. You will find its meaning given from the Google dictionary, and it will increase your vocabulary. In this way you will improve your English reading skill. Your vocabulary will also increase, and at the same time you will also enjoy, because reading is an enjoyable process. Once you feel a liking towards reading, you will feel like you have to read every day. That's a habit. It becomes a habit. It becomes a reading habit, which is a very useful habit, and it will add value to your life. So in this point you are getting 3 benefits from a single reading habit. Invest just 20 minutes every day, not more than that. My second tip is start writing for at least 10 minutes, not more than that. Write for 10 to 15 minutes before you are going to sleep at night, or after waking up in the morning. The first thing, these 2 times are the best to write about your own feelings. You can write anything. You can write any short story, you can write any poetry. It can be as simple as writing about your feelings, what you felt today, or what you felt in a day, what you came across, what incidents occurred in your life in that day. You can always write those things, how you felt about those incidents. You can write about anything. It can be as simple as writing about your experiences in a day. Write about your whole day in 10 to 15 minutes in your own language, in English. Express yourself in English. Express your feelings in English. Write 10 to 15 minutes every day before going to sleep or waking up in the morning. These 2 times are the best, because these 2 times the best one is writing after waking up in the morning, because in the morning our brain is empty and we have not faced any incident in the day. So that is the best time. And you can also write in before going to sleep, whichever suits you or whichever fits your routine. You can write right, for 10 to 15 minutes, not more than that, only 10 to 15 minutes. After writing for 10 days, I think after writing for 1 week or 2 weeks, you will feel like that you have to write. That's called writing habit. That will increase your vocabulary, that will increase your application of what you are learning while you are reading, and that will also increase your vocabulary application. That will also increase your communication skills, because if you can express yourself in English in writing, then you can always express anything which you want to express yourself, you can always express in front of anybody, anywhere. That improves your communication skills. And number 3, the third tip, it's not actually any tip, it's a type of advice, you can say, from me. You can apply this advice, that vocabulary is a very bad word. Do not fall into the trap that learning 5 words or 10 words or 50 words from the dictionary every day. Otherwise you will feel like after reading 2-3 pages in the dictionary, you will feel like you are going to sleep, and you will yawn. You won't be able to remember anything. That is a very boring process. It does not increase your vocabulary. It also reduces your interest in English. It also reduces your interest in speaking and improving your English skills. You need to be interested. You also need to enjoy the process. Whenever you learn anything, always try to enjoy the process, and if the process is not enjoyable, then try to make the process enjoyable. So the 2 tips in the previous 2 tips which I gave you, you can apply those tips. After applying those 2 tips for 1 or 2 weeks, I think you will enjoy the process of improving your English. That's why I recommended you to use those 2 tips. So that's all for today. I think you liked the video. If you felt that the video was good for you, it helped you in any way, then please like and subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon if you want to be notified whenever I upload any new video. So see you guys in my next video. I think in the next video I'll upload any more book review. I am also planning to upload more videos related to communication skills. I am planning to make a series on this, as I told you in my previous communication skill video. So stay tuned for my next video. Bye guys.